2007 Mastercraft X15. White hull, white top deck, black hull accent, black deck accent, dark red main stripe with silver metallic on the transom. Holy smokes. It's a lot of different colors on this boat. Dark, dark, dark window tint. I think this thing has like 5% on it. It's pretty dark. Black Chromax on the outside. Has a nice Mastercraft bimini top on it. Come around to the transom. And we have that beautiful teak platform. Boat has a little over 700 hours. Does have a brand new engine in it from a bad winterization, but we'll touch on that when we hop in there. Gorgeous boat, great condition, ready to go. Let's hop on the inside and check it out. Here we are on the interior of the 2004 X15. This is a relatively new interior, less than 2 years old, and it does have some beautiful stitching on it. Correct textures all the way around. It's been done extremely well. So really nice interior. Probably the only flaw, if I had to pick it apart, probably be over here on the support OB seat, because we're just not attached right here in this. But have great logos in it, and is in really, really good condition. Has had the floor done by SC Wake. Nice C-deck treatment. Really pretty on the interior. Good steering cable. All our gauges are working. Engine just shows 720 hours on it. It is a new block. Had a bad winterization and it did crack the block. So it does have a brand new motor in it. But it has all the same external hardware from the original engine, but the block, rotating assembly is all brand new. Really clean, fully serviced, obviously, since it's brand new. Nice storage, all subfloor ballast. Comes with a cover. Again, this is kind of one of those things you can see. Well done interior, but they just are missing some of the finish work on it. Cooler. Every one of our boats comes with a throwable pack of life jackets. Comes with 4 bumpers. There's our speaker covers, and then it does have JL Audio amps in it. Nice JL Audio sound system, and a set of 8.8 tower speakers. This boat has really nice updates on it. It's a nice interior look of the 5% window tint. It might not be 5%. It's pretty darn dark. Looks like it's light out here, but man, whew, it's dark. Spinning board racks, tower mount mirror, billet, air dam, and again, another shot of that interior, or that bow. There's really no flaws on the interior. It's a nicely optioned boat. It is almost a brand new interior. Next shot of that logo. Good craftsmanship on that part. Let's check out some running footage of this 2004 X15.
All right, here's Mark in the 07 Mastercraft X15. Nice tone to it through the corner. There it is, guys. Beautiful X15. Hit us up here at N3 Boatworks for more information. Thank you for watching.